Hi, my name is Raj.
I'm Elisa, aka Young Kafu.
And today we're going to teach you some soccer tips and skills.
Let's go!
Once again.
Before some soccer skills, we're going to teach you some basic soccer stretches, which is very important to the game, and obviously it will improve your performance because you don't want to hurt and cramp yourself.
Absolutely. So if you don't do that, you have a high risk of injuring yourself, and you may find yourself with scratches or failing to play the whole full game, man. The full game. Yeah! Let's go!
Okay, so the first stretch is basic for thighs, and it also increases your jumping power. So what you're going to do is you're going to run and going to pop your one thigh.
Oh,
Two.
just like that.
3.
Easy.
Yeah, easy. After doing 4 or 5, you'll see some pain in your thighs because that's the muscle which is stretching from this exercise. So before you go to the game, make sure you do for like 5 minutes or 3 to 4 minutes of this exercise. It will really help your thighs to be in shape, and also like it will improve the strength of your thighs.
I just want to show a basic skill that every soccer player needs. Either you're a beginner or an advanced player, you need to do this. It's simply receiving the ball. I mean passing the ball. So you can, there are 3 ways, or there may be more depending on how good you are or talented you are. But the basic ones are using your inside foot, your front foot, or your side foot. The one that I'm going to recommend for everyone is the inside foot. Asher, pass me the ball. So you block it, and then you use your inside foot to pass. Make sure that you press it hard, or you pass the ball hard, depending on the distance between you and your teammate.
So this skill is a very popular skill, and if you're a Ronaldo fan, it's very famous. So the basic skill is the Ronaldo step overs. So what you're going to do is you're going to run the ball, and you're going to step over the ball twice or thrice, as much as you like. The basic tip that I want to tell you, the newcomers who want to try this and perfect the skill, is first you need to start doing when the ball is stable. In the beginning, what you're going to do is you're going to put the ball and you're going to step over and practice like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So slowly and gradually you'll increase your speed, and then you can perfect on the running ball when you're going to take the ball. So I'm going to show you how you can use this on defender. Defender! I'll show you some skill, bro. So it's up to you. You need to practice the skill as more as you can, so you can perfect it and you can break defender's ankle.
One of the important skills that each and every player should have, it's shooting. Well, for defenders, it might be like a normal thing, but then for strikers, it's necessary for the game. They need to be shooting for them to score. Now, there are different ways to do it, and one of the ways is what I'm going to say, and that is you need to make sure that your shot is powerful and accurate. I would trick the defender, or I will trick the goalie, and then I will shoot afterwards. Pass me the ball. So the ball comes, the goalie thinks I want to shoot, I bring it this way, and then I can shoot with my left foot. When you receive the ball, control it in the way that you can shoot right away, or do some things, or trick the goal or something. So what I want to show is receiving the ball with control, and then shooting with power and accuracy.
So now I'm going to teach you how to defend a striker or an attacker. We taught you how to skill the ball away from the defender, but now we're going to teach you how to basically defend, being as a defender and not being run away by the striker. Let's go. When a striker is coming at me, I cannot stand like this. My body has to be sideways, right? And why being sideways is more beneficial, I'm going to show you. Because if a striker comes and maybe he's going to skill me, let's go that way. So I have the momentum and body shape to run with him to defend the ball. So my body was in pretty good condition, so I was able to take his turns. Otherwise, if I would have been like this, he would have just taken the ball and I would have fell on the ground. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So make sure you never attack first. Observe the striker and always be active on your toes so your body's agile, flexible, and you can run if he tries to take this ball away from you. So we're done with the skills, we're done with the defending, but now, just for you guys, we're gonna have a fun penalty shootout between me and Elisa. We're gonna take 5 shots each and let's see who wins. And the other person is gonna buy a coffee to the media team, bro. Let's go. Elisa's going first. Goalie ready.
I'll use my right foot.
Whatever feels good to you.
And then my left foot, and then I'll do a bit of a skill. Yeah, let's see. No chance.
Yeah. 1-0.
I will score all of them.
Cool.
He doesn't have any chance here. It's impossible to miss this. Yeah! Ronaldo thinks.
Woo! He scored 1, 2 out of 3.
Ooh!
That's it!
Damn, man. This is for Neymar.
Let's see what Neymar got.
How many times, bro?
Can you get me the ball, bro? So Elisa took his shots. He scored 3 out of 5 and he missed 2. 1 I saved it and 1 was on the crossbar. Thank you. Now it's my turn. Make sure you pray for me, bro.
Oh, that's out.
That's out?
Yeah. Just yeah.
Not a good start I was hoping for.
Yes!
Woo! Check it in, bro. That's how we roll it. Look at that child, he's supporting me.
No, he knows you are not good.
Damn it!
Celebrate your win.
Damn it. Okay, either you're gonna win, either we're gonna draw. Let me take 2 more.
That's a nice one.
I took 4 penalties or 3?
You've taken 4 penalties.
Yes, I've scored 2, I've missed 2. This is the last penalty. If I score, I'm gonna draw with Elisa. If I'm not,
I'm
gonna take everybody to Tim Hortons. This is so bad. Maybe the spirit's in me. Yes! Yes!
Damn. That was just luck. That was just luck. I swear.
I make my own luck. I make my own luck.
Wait.
Yes!
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Try to practice the soccer tips, and I hope they're gonna help you out.
For more videos, make sure you like us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, Alexandra College. See you guys soon. Take care, peeps.
No, no. No, man. Damn, why did you do that?
It was on the camera, bro.